Mark Whitby is the referee. It's a perfect evening for football here at Stevenheath. Two of the leading sides, of course, in the Welsh Premiership, looking for an opportunity to get a home tie in the quarter-finals of this season's competition. And immediately early Llanelli pressure, George Horan, the former Wrexham player and Connor's key defender, sliding in for the challenge, and it's a corner, or rather it's a throw, which may as well be a corner with Andy Legg though. Former Welsh international deep into that penalty. Oh, it's in straight away! And Stuart Jones, with less than a minute played, has rocked Rhyl. What a start for Llanelli. So simple. Andy Legg is so effective from this sort of position. We've seen him do it so many times over the years. And look at that, a free header for Stuart Jones. Nothing Lee Kendall could do. And Rhyl already trailing. What a start for Llanelli. They lead by a goal to nil. Llanelli looked to break quickly. And the flag stays down. He's not offside. Rhys Griffiths. Griffiths goes for goal himself. And he had options in the middle. But Rhys Griffiths, prolific goal scorer. Why not go for goal himself? But Rhyl all over the place defensively. Look at the time, look at the space. He looked up. It was a very tight angle. Well, I'm sure even Peter Nicholas, who was quite nervous before the game, feeling Llanelli were in for a difficult night, didn't expect to score so early on. Rhyl have already been beaten by Llanelli in the league this season. That was back in August. Kendall clears downfield, but the mistake there by Llanelli. An opportunity for Rhyl, and what a chance it was, and it's in. Oh, it should have been. Andy Moran following up, but the opportunity for Lee Hunt, and no wonder John Hulse cannot believe it. A fantastic chance for Rhyl to get back on level terms, and it was hesitation in the heart of the Llanelli defence. Stuart Jones blocked the first attempt, and really Rhyl should be back on level terms. No wonder John Hulse cannot believe it. Again, won well by Rhys Griffiths. Scored one of the goals when Llanelli won 2-1 at Rhyl. Craig Jones, it's not a bad ball, and the flag stayed down. Some of the Llanelli players are looking for an offside there, but Andy Moran flung himself at the ball. It was an opportunity, got ahead of his marker there, got ahead of Lee Phillips. He wasn't too far away. It was a brave effort, and Phillips had lost him completely. And it has to go down as another chance for Rhyl, a player who once scored 47 goals in a season, Andy Moran. Into the final 5 minutes of the first half, and Peter Nicholas, I would imagine, the happier of the two managers. Chances few and far between in the first 40 minutes or so. Good ball by Griffiths to Andy Legg. Can he exploit the space? He's got Legg still going. Graves comes across. Legg tries to lift it. No real power in the shot, but Lee Kendall untroubled. But a good purposeful break by Llanelli. Rhys Griffiths starting the whole move, and then Andy Legg in full flow. It took a deflection, and it landed kindly for the Rhyl goalkeeper. Take advantage. Graves pushes forward just before half-time, surges forward, waits for the run from Hunt. Moran's waiting in the middle. It's all about the quality now from Hunt. Delays slightly. Graves looking for the opening. Hunt again. He'll have lost some of the momentum. Garside. Good play from Garside. Spots that Connolly's got space on that right-hand side. Gets the cross in. A chance here for Rhyl. Oh, and good strong challenge there made by Stuart Jones, just as I think Paul O'Neill was preparing to side foot the ball home. easily away by Roberts, or rather Stuart Jones, but a free kick. Cobiciero, 2-8's challenging for the same ball. Cobiciero, and he caught Garside there, and this is a free kick in a very, very promising position for the visitors. Well, they conceded the early goal in the first 45 minutes. Can they score early at the start of the second 45? Mark Connolly standing over the ball. Garside is there as well, Graves as well. There are 4 in the Llanelli wall. It's struck firmly enough, and it's off the base of the post, is it? It was Connolly who took it. I thought Harrison might have had a touch, but it hit the base of the post. The goalkeeper was beaten, and Rhyl's so unlucky. It's a terrific free kick, and it's off the post. And Rhyl might just get the feeling that it's not going to be their night. Headed down by Jones' leg, just waited. That's well struck by Mark Connolly. On the volley, right-footed, straight at the goalkeeper. Good height for Ryan Harrison. Certainly a foul in the back of Rhys Griffiths there. And it's a free kick to Llanelli. Holloway will take it, though he leaves the ball for Mumford. Mumford takes it quickly. And Rhyl had gone to sleep. A chance here, and it's 2-0. It's Craig Williams. And massive disappointment for John Hulse and Lee Kendall, but Rhyl just went to sleep. The free kick was quickly taken. Mumford, good vision from Mumford. Williams onto it quickly. It's a sweet finish. No chance for Kendall. And Llanelli looks set for the quarter-finals of this season's FAW Premier Cup. But that was terrible defending from Rhyl. Kendall, just a hopeful up and under. It's touched on, and it's in the back of the net, but it won't count. Mark Whitby saw an infringement. George Horan it was who touched it on. He can't believe that the decision has gone against him. It was the assistant referee on this near side who flagged. And was the infringement by the substitute David Cameron. Nothing wrong with a challenge from George Horan. No wonder he was disappointed. Griffiths, lovely touch. Williams has the pace. Griffiths has got Pritchard in the middle. This to settle it, and he has. Sign of a quality finish there from a quality striker, Rhys Griffiths. He knows where to find the back of the net, and he showed plenty of confidence there. It was the pace of Craig Williams, scorer of the second goal, turning provider this time. Pritchard was waiting as well for the opportunity, but Rhys Griffiths needed no second invitation and coolly slotted the ball past Lee Kendall. 3-0, and there's no doubt now, with less than 10 minutes to go, Llanelli are through to the quarter-final of this season's FAW Premier Cup. What's the decision here? The Rhyl player has gone down. Has he given the penalty, Mark Whitby? Lee Hunt was there challenging, straight from the restart. It's Lee Phillips who has been booked. But it's a chance for Rhyl late on to pull one back, and they've done so. Andy Moran calmly slots home the penalty, but is it too little, too late for John Hulse's side? Pritchard. Griffiths up ahead. Under pressure here now. Oh, chance for Holloway. Holloway! 4-1. But there's no doubt now, that was shambolic defending by Rhyl. Lee Kendall can't believe what's happened in front of him. They've just forced their way back into the game, given themselves some hope. Well, the substitute Chris Holloway. What a simple goal. Rhys Griffiths, look, he's been crowded out there. 2 Rhyl defenders, they give up, and Holloway has the simple task of blasting the ball home. And that is the last action of this FAW Premier Cup tie. Llanelli and Peter Nicholas, emphatic winners. Who would have predicted this scoreline at the start of play? Llanelli through, £15,000 better off as well financially. They're through to the quarter-finals where they're guaranteed a home tie, and any club coming down here will be severely tested by Peter Nicholas' side. It's finished here at Stevenheath this evening. Llanelli 4, Rhyl 1.